A question I get asked all the time by my clients includes, why are my legs uneven? Okay, and there's actually 4 reasons why we have uneven legs as we age. So, the 4 reasons why we have uneven legs include arthritis, in which we compensate for a movement much longer than asking for help. Okay, there are ways that we can definitely counteract arthritis, but you have to put in the work before it gets bad. Okay. Injuries from car accidents, falls, that would be another reason. Settling of the joints after surgery. Now, this is a big one that I see, especially after hip and knee replacements, is that the type of equipment that are placed in your body may actually be a little bit big or too small for the size of your joint. But then also when your body starts to heal and the swelling goes down, the way that it settles of the joint can actually give you uneven legs. And then the last one is a result of hobbies in which one side dominates more than the other, and that includes for sports. I worked with a figure skater where her pelvis was 2 inches shorter on her swing leg versus her landing leg. Okay. Other examples include going into other types of sports. Running. If you're running on a hard surface, we tend to lean. And so when we run, one leg may be longer than the other. All right. If you really like this video, go ahead and press like, share, subscribe. Tell your friends and neighbors. Janet D, the PT.